dressing with some olive oil. Use Manchego cheese to eat. Look how beautiful. Hi friends, we're supposed to do paella, but due to the circumstances, I couldn't find all the ingredients. So I thought we're gonna make food with the ingredients that you find at the regular superstores. So this week I'm gonna show you a fabulous Latin tapas board restaurant style. I did that in my catering, we did that in the restaurants, people pay a lot of money for it, and I'm gonna show you an easy way to do it. And we're gonna pair that with a fantastic wine that I'll talk about it later. So let's start. Cheers, and let's keep the spirits up. Salud. Ingredients: tomato, garlic, sea salt, black pepper, cumin, chili flakes, cucumber, apple, lemon, avocado, regular bread from the supermarket or baguette or any other bread that you like, cheeses of your preference, olives, and charcuterie from whatever charcuterie you find at the moment at the supermarket, and of course a good olive oil. For your first tapa, pan con tomate, bread with tomato, tomatoes, garlic, black pepper, sea salt or regular salt, olive oil, and bread. Second tapa, bread with avocado, pan con palta, avocado, black pepper, sea salt or regular salt, olive oil, cumin, chili peppers, garlic, lemon, and bread. So we're toasting the bread for your tapas, and this is quite important. Put a little bit of olive oil in your fry pan and put a high heat, medium high, and you put all your bread like that. What we want to achieve here is a little bit, the bread get a little bit browned and it has the taste of the olive oil, and then on top of that we're gonna put our ham and avocado and tomatoes. So now I'll show you a little trick we do in the restaurant that makes the difference between a regular tapa. So there you go. You just rub the garlic in your toast and you're starting to prepare your tapas form. These are little details that make the difference between a regular boring meal to a great one. So now you're gonna have the flavor of the garlic, but you're not gonna have the garlic itself. And there you have it. So now I'm going to show you how to prepare your tomatoes for your pan con tomate or your tomato tapa. So there you go. You just cut a little bit there. And now all what we're going to do is grate the tomato on this side of the grater with the little hose. And you just press it over there. And there we are. There we are. And here you get rid of the juices of the tomatoes because you don't want all the juices, otherwise the bread is gonna get too soggy. So there you are, juices out. Take the tomatoes back, and now we're gonna season. Simple as that. Olive oil, plenty of olive oil, sea salt, and pepper. There you go. Just now try the food when you're some people like the food with more or less salt. You just try it and adjust it to your own taste, and there you have it, the tomato for your tomato tapa. Now I'm going to show you how to make your avocado. That's a great tip, to take the avocado pit from the avocado with a spoon. You just take all the avocado out. You see, like that. Don't use the black bit if you have any black bit, and I'll show you a tip on how to prevent the avocado to get black. So there we are. And pinch of pepper, pinch of salt, pinch of cumin, and now a pinch of chili peppers. I don't like to take the chili peppers with my fingers. Squeeze the lemon. Lemon goes in. And now you're gonna smash the avocado. As I said before, to prevent your avocado to get black, you use the avocado pit. If you're gonna leave it for a while, you can put the avocado. Or another great tip is to just put a little bit of the lemon, put it on top. If you're not gonna use it for a while, that's gonna prevent the oil to get black, and you leave it ready for your tapa. So now we have bread in the tabla, but we need some gluten-free alternatives. So here we go. We're gonna cut some cucumbers, and we're gonna do quickly cucumbers for our tapas board. You take it like that, and you put it aside there. And also with apples. Apples are a great way to have gluten-free alternative. Leave it aside, ready for your board, and just drop a little bit of lemon juice so the apples doesn't get brown. Here we are. So to finish, we're gonna assemble this fantastic board. We have for the gluten-free alternative, or the people that are vegan, you have your apples, you have your olives. You can put some cucumbers on the side too, and they can have all that with a little bit of the fresh sauces we made. So you can put a little bit of the tomato there, a little bit of the avocado there too. Dressing with some olive oil, always good. Now we put the cheeses. Manchego cheese. I use Manchego cheese, but you can use any cheese of your options, or your whatever cheese you prefer. Put your salamis on the side for people that love the meat. And then we have some Serrano ham. Now we're gonna assemble our tapas here. So the first one is tomato. Now we're gonna put avocado. And now for the last one, we're gonna put some ham too. So our tapa board is ready. And I'm from Chile. We have great wines in Chile. So today I wanted to introduce you to the really red velvety wine, CARMENERE. CARMENERE is a wine that we have only in Chile, and it goes very well with everything we have in the board. So I hope you enjoy this great Chilean wine, CARMENERE wine with the tapas board. Cheers. So friends, this is the video for this week. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to Leticia's recipes so we can make sure that we can keep cooking and enjoying food together. Stay healthy, look after yourself. Cheers to your all. Bye!